Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. More specifically, welcome to Chilli Bite. Some of you might, some of the OG crew might remember this from day one. This is one of the first ones we ever did, and yes, it got a big score. Right, today's video is sponsored by FoodHub. They are picking up the channel and helping us get along. Now, let's do some FoodHub promotion. Check this out. Those of you that haven't got the FoodHub app on your phone, here we go, simple as this. Download the app, step 1, locate, select. Step 2, select what you want. Step 3, pay. And step 4, eat. Now, I love FoodHub. It's a big move for the channel. Like, they're helping the shops as well without this astronomical fees. Now, before I show you what I've got, big thanks to them, let's do some drink watch. For the first time ever, we've got to. I've got the sparkling guava and the Pepsi Max cherry because I couldn't decide between the two, so my man has got both. What are you going to do about it? Not a lot. Right, it's coming up to winter. This is my go-to curry house, so I'm going to give them the FoodHub promo video and bugger it. I love their curries here. Come and have a look at what I've got in here. So, this is like the select meal for one. I've got my poppadoms. What do you think of this Range Rover table, by the way? We've got our onion bhaji and samosa. I've got special something there on the tray afterwards. What's this one? I'm gonna go.
Boona.
Boona. We chuffing like we need to go to the higher ground. There's my boona. My spinach potatoes. Again, they are incredible. Look how amazing they all look. Got a special rice. Keema naan. I'm going to eat all of this off my bonnet like a hero. Now look, I've got all my pickles. I've got all my pickles. All the regular stuff. You know the drill. This one is what I'm going to try on camera. Now, this is an onion relish salad. Let's dive into this. Let's give it a go. He said I had to try it. Here we go, look. Oh yeah, it's mint. I nearly died on camera then, nearly choked. It's got minty, fruity kick to that. Onion, sweet, lovely jubbly. Right, come a bit closer. This is the special one I want to show you today. This is my go-to winter warmer. Remember that? The winter warmer. It is chicken tikka masala, a staple of the nation, but with a kick. It's got that chilli warmth to it. And it just started to rain.
Nah.
No. Right, look at this. Creamy as you like. I'm just going to dive straight in with this. Shall I give it an naan bread on the go as well? Yeah, what do you guys reckon? Oh, perfectly cooked naan bread with a bit of meat inside. Here we go. Let's get some of this sauce on the go. Right, let's dive into Chilli Bite in association with FoodHub. Nothing like it. Right, this is my winter warmer special. Yeah, that kick is coming through. I never used to experiment that much with my curries. That is, for me, is outstanding. It's creamy, it's thick, it's luxurious. It's got that little kick in it as well. Special order, Matt's Winter Wonder. Now, I've got a little special going on with FoodHub as well. I'm going to put it in the comments as well. Sorry, on the screen now. If you use code FRC300, you get £3 off your next order. Shout out to FoodHub for making that happen for you guys at home. Now, let's get on with the boona. Look, this chicken here is melt in your mouth stuff. Oh, this chicken, look. It's soft, it's delicate, it's perfectly cooked. And my rice. Please excuse the carb on it. This is the special rice, peas, chicken, everything in there. Please excuse the carb on it table. We'll be plating this up and taking it home for my lovely wife, or we can just keep eating off the car. Right, let's get the rice to go. It's just, I've got peas, I've got chicken. It's not sticky. It's full of flavour. Can't say a lot wrong about this, to be fair. Spinach potatoes. Check these out, look. You can tell how good it is by. Oh my god, did you see that? Did you get that?
Flaked off, yeah.
It's creamy. It's creamy. This tastes totally different. Let's get some of the spinach in there as well. Bit of onion bhaji as well. Now, onion bhaji, not my favourite. Not my favourite onion bhaji, but I'm not a huge fan of them anyway. So I'm probably not the man to talk to about onion bhajis. Got samosa here. Oh wow. That was special. That was really good. Alright, cool. So I'm back at Chilli Bite. There we did an early review here. That's got some kick coming through to that now. I'm excited. This is a great curry. We did an early review here. You guys want to see some more curries on the channel. So well, why not come back to my local curry house, especially as we're working with FoodHub on this. It made sense to come and give these guys the exposure that we need. This is my local. I love it. If I close my eyes now and think of curry, that's what I think of. Matt's little winter warmer secret special. So I'm going to give this a score today. I'm rating it in on the score front, by the way, guys. 9's legendary status. 8 is elite food. 7's good food. This is what the new plan. We're 180 videos into the page now as well. So it needs to happen for the longevity and consistency of what we're doing. Okay, that being said, what are we going to score this today in association with FoodHub? I'm going to give this my favourite curry house, unless to be proven otherwise, by the way, and if you know one, tell me. My favourite curry house, I'm going to give this a big fat 8.5. And if you know and love this place, or love a curry, give this video a share and smash the like button, or even give us a love heart, even better. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'm going to now eat the rest of this off my bonnet. My wife probably isn't going to get any of it. Thanks, everyone. That's the review.